Hi friends, we're going to go over the math which has to do more with our partners of a number. And if we remember when we talk about partners of the number, we have how many in all, and then we break them up into partners or the groups of the number. So for this, our directions say complete the partner equation. So if I take a look, what I see is that I have 3 dots in all. And the way that I'm going to be able to tell what my partners are is that some of the dots are blue and some of the dots are white. So we're going to start with how many are all together. 3 equals my blue dots plus my white dots, which is how I get my partner equation. Now, if I went to this one, it would be 3 equals. And remember, I always start on this side and go this way. That's the way we read. So we always want to start on that side. So now, how many blue dots do I have? 1. Plus, how many white dots do I have? 2. So we're going to do the same thing for all of the equations. And you'll notice that some have different colors and some are going to be blue, purple, red, blue, white. You're going to look for your different partners. So I'm going to work on this part right here. So I know that I have 4 dots all together, but my partners are going to change. And you also can tell I have that break apart stick where my colors change. So here I have 4 equals 3 red plus 1 white. Now for the next one, I have 4 equals, how many red do I have? 2. Plus how many white? 2. So if I add my 2 red and my 2 white, that makes my 4 all together. Now, if I go down to the last one, 4 equals, I'm going to start with how many red? There's 1 plus how many white? There are 3. So you're going to use the pictures and the colors to help you. Okay, and that is the whole front of my page is going to be all partner equations. Now make sure you're taking your time and writing your numbers nice and neat. And then if I go to the back of my page, this is all more adding, excuse me, friends, more adding practice. So I'm going to first, like always, read my directions, add the numbers. And if I need to still circle the sign in the middle to realize that this is plus, that's a great idea. And remember, I have a couple different ways I can add. I can use my fingers, I can draw a picture, or I can use things in my house, whether it's candy or cereal or pennies, something that I can pick up and hold. Okay, so I'm going to let you try all of this adding on your own because I want you to practice to get better and better and better. Then if I go down, remember the check your understanding is always the challenge. It just says to complete the partner equation. So what you want to look at is how many are red, and I'll put the break apart stick to help you a little bit, and how many are white. Keep on practicing. You guys are doing an awesome job, and I am super, super proud of you. Bye, friends.